Hey guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Heather. Some people call me Coco, other people call me Senza. Welcome to my page. If you're here, good vibes only, please. If you have something disgusting to say, take that shit elsewhere. Please and thank you. This is my 4th page that I've built. My other 3 pages have gone to over 7,000, 10,000, 16,000, and 40,000 followers. My hopes for this page are to use it as a portfolio. I do all of my own creative design, all of my own hair and makeup looks. I choose my own outfits. I set my own themes. Hey guys.